It's time for Dents and Dreams, a paintless dent repair podcast focusing on how you can use the fruits of this wonderful trade we call PDR to achieve your wildest dreams. I'm John Vidine, your friendly neighborhood dent reaper and host of Dents and Dreams. Now, let's get started. Let's get started indeed. So today I just want to go over one of my 2021 goals was to automate my social media posting, and just going through that here today, and wanted to show you exactly how I'm doing it. So let's go to sharing my screen, and we'll go to this, and that's trippy. We'll go to that. So what I basically did, I went to Fiverr, ordered some quotes. You can do all kinds of different things with this. I think I went with this one, and I think I spent ultimately $100. Looks like he upped his price. But I got 100 quotes, and then what you want to do is go over to Facebook, and you get into your Facebook page here, and you scroll down on the left hand side, and you can hit Publishing Tools, and then it will say try the business suite. So you want to try your business suite here. You can open this up, and it'll show you all your different posts. You got Instagram, Facebook, they're connected here. And I like to use this calendar feature. If it'll load. Oh, here we go. We're on week. We want to be on month. So I've already loaded up all these quotes for January and all these quotes for February. So we'll do March 1st here. And I like to do them a little bit earlier in the morning. So we'll go for 7 a.m. on this one. And we are going to add a photo over here. And I am on my number 8 quote here. So I put all of those quotes from Fiverr into their own folder on Dropbox here, and just have them all organized. They're just called quote and whatever number, and then so you select the one you want, you hit open, it loads, and then right over here you can add what you want to say. Now I use a text replacement, which you can set up pretty easily on your iPhone. There's ways to do it on Android as well. Just I think you need a separate app. And I have all my hashtags planned out here. Being that this photo is a quote in and of itself, I'm not going to add anything to the text besides my hashtags. Mobile Dent Repair, we come to you, yada, yada, yada. So yeah, there's 3 types of people in the world. Those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. Hey man, what happened? You can also enter in your location. I am in Minneapolis. And I mean, you can really narrow it down too if you want. I don't put the same city in for each one of my posts. I like to switch it up a little bit. So You guys know your keywords and your key areas. So the cool thing here is, so this is what it'll look like in the desktop, and you can flip over and see how it looks on Facebook mobile. Takes a second to load, and you can flip over and see how it looks on Instagram. So you do all that, and there's ways to customize it too. You can have something different in your Facebook post or something different in your Instagram post if you want. I like to keep it simple, so I'm just going to keep them all the same. And then you just hit schedule post. Take a second to refresh here. And boom, March 1st, taken care of. You see, oh, that's February 1st. Boom, March 1st, taken care of. So we can do one more here. Just go into March. Click that Monday. These are motivational Monday posts, so we'll shoot for 8. Add a photo. We're on number 9 at this point. Boom. While that loads up, we'll do our text replacement. Get that exactly how we want it. Maybe I want to go my home city this time. Coon Rapids. As it loads up here, you've got to get up every morning with determination if you're going to go to bed with satisfaction. True that. Schedule. Boom. Watch it refresh. Let's go into March. Bada bing. Why not do one more? Just in case you missed it. I like to vary the times. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but you know, the kind of people that are going to resonate with these kinds of quotes are probably early risers. So we're gonna go early, and that's how we're gonna do that. To avoid criticism, do nothing, say nothing, be nothing. Yeah. Somebody's probably hating on this video right now. Well, I'm doing it, and that's the way it is. So, I hate haters, or I heart haters, my bad. Hit the schedule post. Watch it refresh. So yeah, I mean, I just been doing this while watching the football game here, and we've got, almost 3 full months taken care of here. I won't bore you guys with the tedium that is scheduling your posts, but it sure beats having to remember to do it every single morning or every Monday morning or however you want to do it. And, you just come up with a plan. What are you going to do Mondays? You can do every day of the week. You can do Mondays and Fridays, Monday, Wednesday. Do it however you want. But that is how I've been doing it. And we'll see how it works out. I was using a different app. It was called oneupapp.io. And I don't know what happened. The API stopped working, and it wasn't posting properly to all the different avenues, and everything was breaking down on it. And I had more errors than I did posts. So did a little research, and then so going through the Facebook Business Suite, it's called. You can go to business.facebook.com or just, do some YouTube research on scheduling posts on Facebook and Instagram, but it's called Facebook Business Suite. You can get there by going to either just your Facebook page, and then on the left-hand side, you will see it is called Publishing Tools on the left-hand menu. You click that, and then it will give you the option to try Business Suite. And once you do that, you can access all of your posts. I think you can even select older posts and schedule them to repost. I've got to dig into that a little bit more, but I had all these quotes already purchased here just before the end of the year, and just wanted to give this a whirl. So that is how we're doing it. So yeah, just thought it would be a valuable nugget for y'all, and if you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know. Let me know what you're doing, if I'm doing something wrong, or if you got a different way or a better way. I definitely want to know that as well. So appreciate you all checking it out. Thanks so much. Don't forget, live your dream.
Just wanted to thank you for listening to another episode of Dents and Dreams. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, compliments, or complaints, I can be reached at Dent Reaper across social media. And be sure to subscribe to the Dents and Dreams Facebook group and or YouTube channel, because that's where it'll happen if and when we go live. Thanks again.